Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Macroeconomics. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss the concept of LM curve and its graphical and mathematical derivation. You can find more videos on macroeconomics, microeconomics, econometrics, mathematical economics, SPSS, and RStudio on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the introduction. LM curve. The idea of LM curve is given by J.R. Hicks, and it shows the equilibrium in the money market. So basically, LM curve shows the relationship between rate of interest and level of income. So LM curve shows the combinations of interest rates and income levels that result in money market equilibrium. Now let's understand the mechanism. So in money market, we have demand for money and supply of money. Now, demand for money depends on transaction motive. Now, this transaction motive of demand for money is directly associated with level of income. So higher the level of income, higher the demand for money based on transaction motive and vice versa. Demand for money also depends on speculative motive. And this speculative motive of demand for money is associated with rate of interest. And this association is negative. So higher the rate of interest, lower the demand for money based on speculative motive and vice versa. Supply of money is determined outside the model and therefore it is known as exogenous variable. So here supply of money is exogenous variable. That means it is not determined by the model and it is fixed by central bank. So this is the mechanism of money market. Now let's understand the mathematical derivation. Now we know that demand for money depends on two things, level of income, that is Y, and rate of interest. So L, that is demand for money, is equal to KY minus HI. So what is K? K is the responsiveness of demand for money to changes in Y. And here, changes in income shifts the demand for money curve, either upward or downward. On the other hand, we have H, and this H shows the responsiveness of demand for money to changes in rate of interest. Sorry, this is small I, rate of interest. And if H changes, the slope of the demand curve changes. So changes in income leads to the change in the position of the LM curve, and change in interest rate leads to change in the slope of the LM curve. Now let's see the mathematical derivation. Now we know that supply of money is equal to M bar upon P bar. So in equilibrium, demand for money is exactly equal to supply of money, and therefore L is equal to M bar upon P bar is equal to KY minus HI. So HI is equal to KY minus M bar upon P bar, and therefore I is equal to 1 upon H in bracket KY minus M bar upon P bar. Now let's understand the graphical derivation. So we have two panels, panel A and panel B. Panel E shows the money market equilibrium and panel B shows the LM curve. So this is money supply curve, which is fixed, and therefore we have a vertical line. This is L1. Now, E1 is the equilibrium point at which demand for money is exactly equal to supply of money. And here you can see the level of income is Y1. And equilibrium rate of interest is I1. So therefore, this I1 is associated with Y1 here. So the reflection of E1 point in panel B is C, that shows the relationship between I1 and Y1. Now, if we have rise in the income, that is from Y1 to Y2. Now, this rise in income shifts the entire demand curve rightward, and therefore we have the new equilibrium point E2. Now, to maintain the money market equilibrium, the interest rate must rise from I1 to I2. And therefore, this I2 is associated with higher level of income, that is Y2. So the reflection of E2 is point D, which shows the relationship between I2 and Y2. So now you join these 2 points C and D, we will get the LM curve. So you can see we have positively sloped LM curve, and it shows that higher level of interest rate is associated with higher level of income, and therefore we have the money market equilibrium. So all points on LM curve exhibit the equilibrium in the money market. So that is the idea of LM curve and its mathematical and graphical derivation. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.